That's a no-no. Don't ever put your hands in somebody's hair. That is a straight up no-no. Don't put your hands in somebody's hair. Period. What's up YouTube? It's your girl Simply JoJo, and I'm back with part 2 of my video. So I'm just gonna take my hair out of these twists, and yeah, these still staining. Update, my bonnet has like blue in it and stuff like that. This is like really cute. I like the mix of colors, but my bonnet has blue in it. Kind of stained my bonnet a little bit, but I'm surprised that it's still like on my, like, you know, like you can see the colors still vibrantly. So I'm just gonna, usually when I do my twist outs, I separate as I go, and then I separate a little bit more so I can get it fuller. So that's what you're gonna see. So I'm finished. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's all over. First of all, it's all over my face. It's all over my shirt. It's all over. It's everywhere. It's literally everywhere. This thing definitely flakes, and I used this previously on dry hair just to see like if it would just show up. If you have me on Instagram, you probably saw the picture with the two buns, the two buns that had different colors. But yeah, I don't even think I have to pick this because this is day one hair, and it's has a lot of volume for usually like when I take it out. Usually when I take out my hair, it's not this voluminous, but okay, period, sis. Like, this is cute. Like, I love the colors. I love the way it turned out. Guys, look. Like, honestly, I feel like I should really dye my hair this color, but I'm not, because that is too much of a commitment to keep my hair this color for a long time. But Do a little photo op. So I'm gonna let you guys know how it is for day 2, and I'll be back. So this is day 2. I just
came out the shower. Just finished moisturizing my face. Put a little bit more. Yeah. Just finished moisturizing my face. And I'm gonna take down my hair. So when I have like my twist outs,
I sleep in a pineapple so it can stay stretched. And then I usually put a bonnet over it, but I already took off my bonnet before I started recording. So this is usually what I look like.
So this is the brand of hair paint wax that I use.
I'm just gonna take down my hair. Bam! I think it's really beneficial to your twist outs when you pineapple it the night after you take it out of the twist, just so it can stay stretched, and so that you don't really like disturb the curls. I don't like when my hair is in the twist, I'll do like the banding method, but if it's not like in the twist and it's like already out, like when I take it out like this, I put it in a pineapple so I can preserve it longer. And in the first part of this video, you saw that I didn't pick out my hair at all. But today, since it's day 2 and I want a little bit more volume for day 2, I'm going to pick out my hair. I can literally just go out like this. It's really cute to find. But I miss volume, so guess what?
I'm finna get this volume. Where's my pick? I'm finna get this volume. Where's my pick? Where my pick? About to get my pick. About to pick it up. About to pick my hair. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Get it. Pick it up. Okay. I need to
stop playing because I do have somewhere to go, y'all. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys want me to do a video on how to properly pick out your hair, because I knew when I started I did not know how to pick out my hair.
I just love the colors in my hair, like, period. Like, I just love the colors in my hair. Y'all think I should do my edges, sis? Do my edges, sis? Yeah. Guys, update. Still haven't found my edge control, so I've been using Eco Styler. I don't really like using Eco Styler gel for my edges because I feel like it does nothing. So I think I'm just gonna go to the store and get some of my favorite edge control, which is the Style Factor Edge Control Edge Booster. That's what it's called. I'm just gonna have to go to the store and buy me a new one because I don't know where the other one went. Okay. Do them edges, sis. Sing the song, guys. If you guys been with me for my videos, if you've been with me this long, you know the song. Do them edges, sis. Do them edges, sis. Now hit that nay. Nay? Hey, hit that nay. Nay? Okay.
Guys, I was literally struggling the whole time trying to lay my edges with this Eco Styling gel. Never again. Laid for the gods. Okay, so this is day 2. Has a little bit more volume, panache, and all that.
So this is day 4, or I think it's day 5, and I'm just gonna take down my hair here, just like that. Oh, my head is scratching. That's another thing. This is the last day of me having the hair paint wax in my hair, actually, with this twist out, because I need to wash my hair. I'm washing it out. I'm washing it out mainly because this is an issue. Like, every time I go in to, like, scratch my head, I get, like, under my nails. It's cute, colors are cute. The red really does fade. Like, it looks like a purple. It looks purple. The red does not stay. The blue stay the same. The purple kind of faded out into a darker purple. But what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to pick out my hair.
My final thoughts on the hair paint wax. I love the idea of the hair paint wax because instant color, no damage, no anything. But the pros are it's quick, easy to apply, doesn't take brain surgery, and you can use basically any color you want. So you can just test out colors to see what works for you. And if it doesn't work for you, guess what? Just take some water, take it out. The cons. There's a lot of cons. The cons, like, it will always, like, this is always bleeding on my hands. Whenever you touch your hair, it will bleed out onto your hands. It bleeds out onto your bonnets if you sleep with a bonnet. If it's hot and you're sweating, it's gonna run down your face. Like, the color's gonna run down your face. It flakes when you, not just when you first take it out. Every time you're manipulating your hair, it will flake on you. And that's it. So would I do a hair paint wax again? Yes, I would. But this time I would probably try a different brand, because I know there's different brands out there. Maybe it's just a specific brand I chose that flakes this much and that, you know, like, it's always like running off. Like, it doesn't stay in your hair. Maybe it's a specific brand. Let me know in the comment section below if you ever tried hair paint wax, if you tried like a specific brand that you want me to try, if you want me to try different brands to let you guys know, like, oh, this one's better, that one's not, they're all the same. Let me know in the comment section below. Honestly, I would suggest really wearing the wax in the winter, like at least this type, because it's like always running and it's hot outside. It's like 90 degrees. You're gonna be sweating, so it's going to just sweat out with the water. It's just gonna come out with the water. I really, like, I can't tell you how much I love the colors in my hair. I love using something that doesn't have to be permanent. It doesn't have to stay forever, because I'm not trying to damage my hair. I'm on a hair growth, hair moisture journey. Hashtag moisture journey. Join me on my moisture journey. And another pro I forgot to say, like, my hair is pretty moisturized. Like, it stayed moisturized. It didn't dry out my hair. So my hair, I haven't had to reapply moisturizer. Obviously, because if I reapplied, then the color would have came out. But I didn't have to reapply any moisturizer. My hair is still moisturized. It's not dry at all. And honestly, I love the idea. It's just, I can't touch my hair without getting stains. And although it doesn't last long, I can just rinse my hand and like it'll come out. It's still an annoyance. It's really an annoyance. At least, oh, another pro, it will stop people from like trying to randomly put their hands in your hair. Like, by the way, that's a no-no. Don't ever put your hands in somebody's hair. That is a straight up no-no. Don't put your hands in somebody's hair. Period. I don't care if it's the most beautiful hair you've ever seen in your entire life. Baby, don't put your hands in somebody's hair. Period. This is not the petting zoo. Okay? Period. I don't allow people to put randoms to put their hands in my hair. Period. If you're my friend, I'll let it slide, but if you're a random, please don't do it, because you'll get an attitude. But thank you. First of all, I just love the way this afro looks. I look like a bubble gum or something. But thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for watching part 2 of my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell. We are on the road to 100 subs. I'm almost there. I thank you guys for your continuous support, and let me know down below what you want to see next. Thank you for watching. What's up, my Simply Nation?